2010 Ferrari California. We will be transforming the car to a upgraded sound system. Got a couple of things apart on here, but we're going to wind up taking the radio out and doing a floating screen. So this is the start, and what we will change on here as we go along. This is video 1, so stay tuned for some more videos on the Ferrari California. Okay, what we have is today is a 2010 Ferrari California. We did a sound system upgrade, JL amp, JL subwoofer, components in the front. Pretty much the audio system is hidden away, so there's not much to show. What I really want to go over is we put the Pioneer 9-inch floating screen, which fits in here really well. We've got Apple CarPlay. We can do Android Auto, incorporate all the new technology along with a beautiful sound. But also we incorporated the factory backup camera, so fully functional, easy to see, easy to use, fits in there nice. It complements the car. So call us with any questions on this sound concept and 2010 Ferrari California. Thank you for watching.